I'm Bruce Petrov with Home Maintenance Solution. Our company's been in business since 2004. Home Maintenance Solution specializes in serving customers that are busy doing their life, really. Home Maintenance Solution is basically a handyman company, but there's some unique features of it. Like any company that excels in the marketplace, we really strive for good customer service, to be dependable, trustworthy, and just to provide excellency in what we do. So the thing that's really unique about us is our home maintenance plans. Just talk about a little bit about how that works. When someone signs up for our plan, and I'll talk about our standard plan right now because that's where most folks fit in, they sign up for 4 visits a year. We come out seasonally, so spring, summer, fall, and winter, we'll come out with a maintenance visit. Before that process starts, we come in and do a room-by-room, full house assessment of all the maintenance needs in their home, and that's exterior as well. So we usually end up with anywhere from 100 to 300 items that could need attention in the home. After that assessment is done, we'll put it into a book that's custom made for the homeowner. We'll bring that book back and we'll discuss it with the homeowner. So it's the company representative with the homeowner. We're kind of sorting through this big list of items that are potential things that need to be done. We'll prioritize them. One of the big advantages of our maintenance plans is what we call the 4 Ps. Those are pre-scheduled, planned, proactive, and a professional and dedicated technician. Where we really specialize is just helping families that live in homes enjoy their home more. Our slogan is bringing your family home, and it's kind of launched out of that. We believe that one of our jobs is to help other families just enjoy their home more, and we want to help folks enjoy the time that they are home so that there's not that frustration level of disrepair. This is a commitment on our part. We are committed to being trustworthy. We realize that people's homes are their private space. Homes are possibly the largest investment that those families have ever made. Those are important places for them, and we don't take that for granted. Any technician that we hire, we have screened, trained, certified, done all background checks on. They're bonded and insured so that the homeowners can relax with that sense that somebody has been taking care of these things that are in the background, that we're not just sending anybody into your house. Imagine having somebody, whether you're the husband or the wife, imagine having somebody that is coming in 2 months or 3 months or whenever it is. It's pre-scheduled, it's planned, it's already on the calendar, and you can have a place to put things like that need to get done around your home. It's like marriage therapy. We have customers in homes that are over 100 years old. We've got lots of customers in new homes and new neighborhoods. When you first move into a home, statistically, in the first 5 years, there's a large number of changes that take place there. Just customizing it and making it your own, adding the little things that your family needs. You know, we love to help with that kind of stuff and just be a place that you can call on when a question comes up. The main way that we get business is from people telling their friends and family that they have really enjoyed using our service. I always tell people when I first sit down with them and talk about starting our program, if you're ever not happy, let me know because I want you to be completely happy. Our company is here to take care of families that live in homes. Our tagline is bringing your family home, and we want that to be clearly conveyed with everything we do. We're here to help, and we'd love for you to take a look at our website or just engage us in some way where we can provide you even with some free stuff that would help you just better understand how to take care of your home and what things to look at. When the time's right, we'd love to take care of your home on a full-time basis.